Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to merge cells on Google Sheet by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Google Sheets application, and after that you need to open the documents that we want to work in. So here I already have the document. So sometimes the merge function is to united two cells or more cells into one cells. Okay, so sometimes those features is used for work in a table. So let's do merge on this documents. I already have the table here, and I would like to show you how to merge the E6 cells with the F6 cells. So the things is just you need to block these two cells into one. You just need to go click the E cell and go click the corner and slide it into the right side until the E and F have the same frame. And after that, after you block the cells, you can see in this down feature here there is a symbol, the arrows that coming into inside. You just need to click it, and now those cells is become one cells. So that's all the way how to merge. Let's try again for the next cells. So for E7 and F7, click and block two cells, and after that go click these tools, and that's all. That's the way how to merge a cell in Google Sheet application by iOS or iPhone. So if today's tutorial guide you so well, guys, if you find that today's tutorial is guide you so well, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.